Imagine standing atop an ancient Incan citadel surrounded by misty mountains, or exploring a jungle teeming with wildlife, or even walking across a desert etched with mysterious giant drawings. This isn't a fantasy, it's Peru, but with so many incredible places to visit, where do you even start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're counting down the 15 best places to visit in Peru, from world-famous landmarks to hidden gems you've probably never heard of. Let's dive in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 15, Chachapoyas. Starting our countdown at number 15 is Chachapoyas, a hidden gem in Peru's cloud forest region. This area is often overlooked by travelers, but it's a treasure trove of natural beauty and ancient history. The star attraction here is the fortress of Cuelap, often called the Machu Picchu of the north. Built by the Chachapoya civilization over 1,000 years ago, this massive stone structure sits atop a mountain and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys. Another must-see in Chachapoyas is Gocta Waterfall, one of the tallest waterfalls in the world. The hike to the falls takes you through lush cloud forests filled with exotic birds and wildlife, making it an adventure in itself. Chachapoyas is the perfect destination for those looking to explore Peru's lesser-known wonders. Number 14, Mancora. At number 14, we have Mancora, a laid-back beach town on Peru's northern coast that effortlessly blends relaxation with adventure. Known for its warm turquoise waters, golden sands, and consistent waves, Mancora is a surfer's paradise, catering to both seasoned pros and beginners eager to catch their first wave. Beyond its stunning coastline, the town boasts a lively atmosphere that comes alive after sunset. Vibrant beach bars and open-air seafood restaurants line the shore, offering fresh ceviche, grilled fish, and tropical cocktails under the stars. Mancora's charm lies in its ability to balance tranquility with excitement. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring nearby wildlife reserves, or indulging in water sports like paddleboarding and snorkeling, it's the ideal escape for those seeking a mix of adventure and relaxation after exploring Peru's rugged landscapes. With its warm hospitality and breathtaking sunsets, Mancora is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 13, Huaraz. Coming in at number 13 is Huaraz, the gateway to some of Peru's most breathtaking natural wonders and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Nestled in the heart of the Andes, this vibrant city serves as the perfect base for exploring the awe-inspiring Huascarán National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you'll find the iconic Laguna 69, a dazzling turquoise glacial lake, and the towering Huascarán Mountain, Peru's highest peak, standing at an impressive 6,768 meters. The region's dramatic landscapes, featuring snow-capped peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and lush valleys, are nothing short of spectacular, offering endless opportunities for adventure. Whether you're an experienced trekker tackling the challenging Santa Cruz Trek, a multi-day journey through some of the most stunning scenery in the Andes, or a casual hiker seeking shorter trails, Huaraz caters to all levels of outdoor enthusiasts. Beyond hiking, the area is perfect for rock climbing, mountain biking, and even glacier exploration. With its rugged beauty and endless adventure, Huaraz is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in Peru's natural splendor. Number 12, Paracas National Reserve. At number 12, we have Paracas National Reserve, a coastal treasure that showcases Peru's extraordinary natural beauty and biodiversity. This protected area is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, offering a striking contrast of red sand beaches, rugged cliffs, and vast desert landscapes that meet the sparkling Pacific Ocean. One of the reserve's standout experiences is a boat tour to the Ballestas Islands, often referred to as the poor man's Galapagos. These islands are teeming with wildlife, including playful sea lions, adorable Humboldt penguins, and countless seabirds like pelicans and boobies, making it a haven for animal lovers and photographers alike. Back on the mainland, the reserve's surreal scenery will leave you in awe. Explore the mysterious Parachas Candelabra, a massive geoglyph carved into a hillside, or wander through the otherworldly desert terrain that feels almost Martian. Whether you're kayaking along the coast, biking through the reserve, or simply soaking in the dramatic views, Paracas offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. For anyone seeking to connect with nature and witness some of Peru's most iconic landscapes, Paracas is an unmissable destination. Number 11. Trujillo. Number 11 takes us to Trujillo, a city on Peru's northern coast that's steeped in history. This region was once home to the Moche and Chimu civilizations, and their legacy can still be seen today. Visit the ancient adobe city of Chan Chan, the largest pre-Columbian city in the Americas, and marvel at its intricate carvings and massive walls. Another must-see is the Temple of the Sun and the Temple of the Moon, which were built by the Moche civilization over 1,500 years ago. These archaeological sites are filled with colorful murals and offer a fascinating glimpse into Peru's ancient past. And don't forget to explore Trujillo's charming colonial center, where brightly painted buildings and lively plazas await. Number 10. Huacachina. At number 10, we have Huacachina, a mesmerizing desert oasis that feels like a mirage come to life. Nestled amidst towering golden sand dunes, this tiny village offers a unique blend of adrenaline-pumping activities and tranquil relaxation. For thrill seekers, Huacachina is a playground of excitement. Try sandboarding, where you can zip down steep dunes at exhilarating speeds, or hop into a dune buggy for a heart-pounding ride across the undulating desert landscape. Yet Huacachina isn't just about adventure. The oasis itself is a picture of serenity, with its shimmering lagoon surrounded by lush palm trees, creating a peaceful retreat from the surrounding desert. As the sun dips below the horizon, make your way to the top of a dune for a breathtaking panoramic view. The sight of the sun casting golden hues over the endless sea of sand is nothing short of magical, offering a surreal and unforgettable experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Huacachina is a dreamlike destination that promises to captivate your senses and leave you in awe. Number 9. Nazca Lines. Coming in at number 9 are the Nazca Lines, one of Peru's most enigmatic and awe-inspiring archaeological wonders. These massive geoglyphs carved into the arid desert plains over 2,000 years ago stretch across nearly 500 square kilometers and depict intricate designs including animals like a hummingbird, monkey, and spider, as well as geometric shapes and even a figure resembling an astronaut. The true purpose of these lines remains shrouded in mystery, with theories ranging from astronomical calendars and religious rituals to more speculative ideas like extraterrestrial communication. Fully appreciate their grandeur, a scenic flight is essential, offering a bird's-eye view of these ancient masterpieces that seem to defy time and explanation. The experience of soaring above the desert and witnessing these colossal figures etched into the earth is nothing short of mesmerizing. A visit to the Nazca Lines is not just a journey into Peru's ancient past, but also an opportunity to marvel at the ingenuity and creativity of a civilization long gone. For history buffs, mystery enthusiasts, and curious travelers alike, the Nazca Lines are an unforgettable highlight of any trip to Peru. Number 8. Lake Titicaca. At number 8, we have Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia, this lake is a place of incredible beauty and cultural significance. Visit the Uros floating islands, which are made entirely of reeds and have been home to the Uros people for centuries. Then head to Tequili Island, where the locals are known for their intricate textiles and traditional way of life. The views of the lake from here are absolutely breathtaking. Whether you're exploring the islands or simply enjoying the serene atmosphere, Lake Titicaca is a destination you won't forget. Number 7. Arequipa. Number 7 takes us to Arequipa, known as the White City because of its stunning buildings made from white volcanic stone. The highlight here is the Santa Catalina Monastery, a colorful convent that feels like a city within a city. Wander through its narrow streets and vibrant courtyards, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. And if you're up for an adventure, take a trek to the Colca Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in the world. It's also one of the best places to see Andean condors soaring through the sky. Arequipa is a city that combines history, culture, and natural beauty in the most captivating way. Number 6. The Amazon Rainforest. At number 6, we have the Amazon Rainforest, a sprawling natural wonder that embodies Peru's astonishing biodiversity and ecological richness. Covering a significant portion of the country, the Amazon is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Begin your journey in gateway cities like Iquitos or Puerto Maldonado, where you can dive into this lush, vibrant ecosystem. Glide along the mighty Amazon River on a boat tour, where you might spot the elusive pink dolphins gracefully breaking the water's surface, or venture deep into the jungle on guided hikes to encounter exotic wildlife such as playful monkeys, slow-moving sloths, vibrant macaws, and, if fortune favors you, the majestic jaguar. For a truly immersive experience, stay at a jungle lodge nestled in the heart of the rainforest, where you can fall asleep to the symphony of chirping insects, croaking frogs, and distant howler monkeys. The Amazon offers a stark contrast to Peru's bustling cities, providing a serene escape into one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, an eco-traveler, or simply seeking adventure, the Amazon rainforest is an unforgettable destination that highlights the sheer diversity and natural beauty of Peru. Number 5. Lima. Number 5 brings us to Lima, Peru's bustling capital and a food lover's paradise. Start in the historic center, where you'll find colonial landmarks like the Plaza Mayor and the Monastery of San Francisco. But the real star of Lima is its food scene. Don't leave without trying ceviche, Peru's national dish made with fresh fish marinated in lime juice. And wash it down with a pisco sour, the country's signature cocktail. For a truly unforgettable experience, book a table at one of Lima's world-class restaurants, like Central or Mido, which consistently rank among the best in the world. Lima is a city that will delight your taste buds and your sense of adventure. Number 4. The Sacred Valley. At number 4, we have the Sacred Valley, a scenic wonderland that's a must-visit for its stunning landscapes and archaeological sites. One of the highlights is the Mara salt mines, where thousands of salt pans have been used since Incan times. The view is surreal, like a patchwork quilt of white and brown. Another must-see is Marais, an ancient agricultural laboratory with circular terraces that were used to experiment with crops. And if you're looking for a taste of local life, visit the Pisac Market, where you can shop for handmade crafts and fresh produce. The Sacred Valley is a place where history and nature come together in the most beautiful way. Number 3. Cusco. Number 3 takes us to Cusco, the ancient capital of the Inca Empire and the gateway to Machu Picchu. This city is a fascinating blend of Incan and Spanish colonial architecture. Start at the Plaza de Armas, the vibrant heart of Cusco, and visit the stunning Cusco Cathedral. But don't miss the Coricancha, once the richest temple in the Inca Empire, adorned with gold. Today it's a testament to the ingenuity of Incan craftsmanship. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a day trip to the nearby Sacred Valley, where you'll find even more Incan ruins and picturesque villages. Cusco is a city that will transport you back in time. Number 2. Machu Picchu. At number 2, we have Machu Picchu, the crown jewel of Peru, and one of the most iconic archaeological wonders on the planet. Built in the 15th century by the Inca civilization and mysteriously abandoned, this ancient citadel was rediscovered in 1911 and has since become a symbol of human ingenuity and natural beauty. While the postcard-perfect views of Machu Picchu perched high in the Andes are breathtaking, the site offers so much more for those willing to explore. Wander through the Temple of the Sun, a marvel of Inca astronomy and architecture, or marvel at the Intihuatana stone, believed to have been a ritual stone tied to the sun's movements. The intricate agricultural terraces, which cascade down the mountainside, are a testament to the Incas' advanced engineering and sustainable practices. For the ultimate adventure, embark on the Inca Trail, a multi-day trek that weaves through cloud forests, mountain passes, and ancient ruins, culminating in a sunrise view of Machu Picchu that is nothing short of magical. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an adventure seeker, Machu Picchu is a destination that will leave you in awe and inspire a deeper appreciation for the legacy of the Inca Empire. Number 1. Cordillera Blanca. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cordillera Blanca, nestled in the heart of the Andes. The Cordillera Blanca is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Home to over 50 majestic peaks, including Peru's highest mountain, Huascarán. This mountain range is a dream destination for hikers, climbers, and photographers. The iconic Laguna 69, with its turquoise waters reflecting the surrounding glaciers, is a must-visit spot that will leave you speechless. But it's not just about the views. The Cordillera Blanca is also part of Huascarán National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you can explore diverse ecosystems, spot rare wildlife like the Andean condor, and immerse yourself in the rich culture of nearby villages. Whether you're trekking the Santa Cruz Trail or simply soaking in the serene beauty, the Cordillera Blanca promises an unforgettable experience. So guys, from the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu to the hidden wonders of Chachapoyas, Peru is a country that never fails to amaze. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or just looking for a beautiful place to relax, Peru has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Peru today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. And if you've already been to Peru, share your favorite spots in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!